Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to set Google Chrome as your default web browser on Windows 11. If your computer keeps opening links in Microsoft Edge instead of Chrome, don't worry. I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix that in less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu. Now click on Settings, the little gear icon. Inside Settings, click on Apps from the left sidebar. Then click on Default Apps. Type Chrome and click on Google Chrome. At the top of the page, you should see a button that says Set Default. Click on this button, and that is it. Now, whenever you click a link, whether it's from email, a document, or another app, it will open in Google Chrome instead of Microsoft Edge. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.